Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, unpackaging the Just Fab shoes first purchase. Just Fab has, this thing where you can get them cheap for like your first order for $10. And that's what I did. And the order came up to about $16, with the shipping and everything. And I did do this through the VIP. If you want to know more about their VIP, I'll let you know. And they sent me this 30% off for joining the VIP club. And yeah, it's a monthly thing, so if you want to know more about that, I'll explain it. They sent this dinner thing, this voucher for some wines, and that was included. These are like have an expiration date, so be wary of that. Use them right away. And yeah, on with the shoes. I did get some boots. I'm not sure what they called. I'll link them in the description if they're still available, which I'm not sure, because they change up the styles and stuff, and it's still winter in New York, so I wanted to get some boots. So I got these furry ones that match my coat, and I'll probably post pictures on my Instagram if y'all want to see it in more details. And yeah, here is the boot.
So many at the show, but favorites always seem to just come and go. Holding on to a real connection, redirection that's all gone from the frequency I'm on. So when I see ya, it'll be a surprise to know that I'm not someone that forgot.
If you're wondering, these are a size 8 and a half. Yeah, I wear 8 and a half, so yep.
One of the good guys. One of the good guys. One of the good guys. Ooh, ooh, ooh. One of the good guys. One of the good guys. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Holding on to a real connection that's all gone from the frequency I'm on. So when I see ya, it'll be a surprise. So when I see ya, it'll be a surprise to know that I'm not someone that forgot.
So these are the shoes, the boots. The creases in the front do come out, and you have to fluff up the fur a bit. And there's also fur in the bottom as well inside. And yeah, good quality. Fur in the bottom. Like at the bottom and on one side, actually. Yeah. See? On inside there. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's the end of this video. Be sure to subscribe and like this video. Shout out to Just Fab. Thank you for the boots.
How could you say this every time? This is the new